In this video, you will learn how to manage and control the minibar. With it, you can collapse the full sidebar to keep only the essential controls visible, so you can stay focused on your data. When an OT instrument is added to the project, the control sidebar opens automatically. Here, you set up the system with the device under test requirements, plus the channels to be measured. In this quick example, current, voltage, power, and UR logs. Once the configuration is ready, you can collapse the sidebar using the double left chevron icon. This hides all setup controls and leaves only the minibar visible, allowing you to focus on the measurement. The minibar contains the same functional section as the full sidebar, but in a more compact format. Power supply control for each connected OT instrument, and management of the recordings and measurement channels. To start recording from the minibar, select the record icon and turn on the power supply of the connected OT. If multiple OT instruments are added to the project, hovering over their power buttons shows which OT will be turned on. As the recordings are taken, these will be listed one after the other in the recording section. These recordings can be shown or hidden by just clicking on the recording box. By holding Command on macOS or Control on Windows or Ubuntu while clicking, you select a specific recording for further measurement analysis within the statistic view. Right-clicking a recording opens the context menu, where you can hide, focus, delete, crop, change color, downsample, or export as CSV the recording. Measurements behave similarly to recordings. Any measurement channel configured can be shown or hidden with a single click. For example, the main power channel is automatically created whenever the main current channel is enabled, since it is required for energy calculations. However, it won't appear in the graph until you show it. To display it, simply click its checkbox. You can also hover over the measurement channels to quickly identify which signal each one represents. Right-clicking any measurements also opens the context menu, where you can hide the channel, zoom into its range, delete it, or downsampling it depending on your analysis needs. To start using it, just update OTI to its latest version.